Understanding Validation Metrics, your guide to measuring success. Hello and welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone involved in data science, machine learning, or even business analytics. We're talking about validation metrics. These metrics are essential tools used to evaluate the effectiveness of a model or strategy. Let's break down what validation metrics are, why they're important, and how they're used in different fields. Stay tuned to become more confident in your understanding of this topic. Validation metrics are quantifiable measures used to assess the performance of a model or system. In simple terms, they help us understand how well our model is performing by comparing its predictions against real-world outcomes. Accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are common examples of validation metrics in the context of classification problems. Each of these metrics provides a different perspective on the effectiveness of the model, helping us to identify areas for improvement. Validation metrics are crucial because they provide objective evidence of a model's performance. They help us answer questions like, how often is our model correct? When it makes a mistake, how significant are those mistakes? By understanding these metrics, we can make informed decisions about adjusting our model to better meet our goals. Furthermore, validation metrics are essential for comparing different models or strategies to determine which is most effective for a given task. 1. Choose the right metric. Depending on your project's objectives, certain metrics will be more relevant than others. For instance, if false positives are a bigger concern than false negatives, precision might be more important than recall. 2. Cross-validation. This technique involves dividing your data into subsets, training your model on some subsets, and validating it on others. It helps ensure that your model performs well across different data samples. 3. Monitor over time. Validation metrics should not be a one-time check. It's important to monitor these metrics over time to ensure that the model continues to perform well as new data comes in or conditions change. Validation metrics are powerful tools that help us measure the success of our models and strategies. By understanding and properly applying these metrics, we can significantly improve our project's outcomes and achieve our goals more effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on validation metrics and why they're so important. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and every step forward counts. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let's make progress together.